and welcome to my studio. I am here with another Fibre Mood make for y'all. Fibre Mood is a bi-monthly magazine. You get a subscription to it. Every issue comes with a whole collection of patterns to choose from. Their fall issue is now out, and oh my gosh, you guys, there are so many cute patterns in this collection. I chose the honey top. It was a really hard choice. I also really loved the Bonnie top, and I might have to just get that one also. But this is the honey top. She is just darling. It is a button up with the cutest collar detail. I don't know how well you can see, but there is a little ruffle all the way around the collar. I will have to pop in a close-up picture for you guys. And then it has slightly cropped sleeves with little bow ties, and it is a kind of cropped length, and I took a slightly smaller hem in the back so the back hangs a little bit longer. There's a back yoke with gathers into the yoke, and the placket, there are two versions of this. There's one version that has a covered placket with more ruffles coming out of the button down. I chose the one with the buttons exposed because I love the way my Tabitha Sewer mirrored rose gold buttons look with this fabric. But the other version is super cute also. I will note that there is, the instructions can be a little bit confusing, and if you are doing the version that has the exposed buttons, you do want to be sure to pay attention to the notes in the instructions, because instead of cutting a separate left and right front, you're only cutting the left front piece and doing the same construction method for both sides. So with this version, the placket is included in the pattern piece, so it's just folded back, which is a really easy construction there. And everything else, if I wasn't using such beautiful slippery fabric, came together quite easily. It was a pretty simple make as far as a button-up shirt goes. There is no bust dart, so it does fit a little bit boxier and is meant to have that like looser shape to it. And it does make the construction pretty easy and straightforward. This beautiful, beautiful fabric is from a Thrifty Notion, and it is a silk or some sort of silk blend, and I believe there is still some available. Y'all, it's so cute. It has these little watercolored daisies. I love like the retro look of this top, and all of the little details, the simple boxy shape combined with all of the cute little feminine details, I really, really love about this pattern. I like to dress a little more like preppy and utilitarian in the fall winter. Utilitarian minimalist. But I love that this has that vibe, but still brings in like those feminine touches that I incorporate a lot of into my summer wardrobe. So I really love this pattern. If you've been following me for a while, you know I kind of struggle a little bit with my style in the colder months. I think it's just being raised in a hotter climate, and we do get cold weather, but when the cold weather hits, I'm just like, yeah, I don't know what to wear. I just want a sweatshirt. So I've been sort of challenging myself to dive a little bit deeper into that and explore a little bit more with my fall winter wardrobe, and I think this is a really lovely piece to add to that collection. I'm going to take you guys a little bit closer so you can see some of these details a little bit better. thank you so much for letting me share this beautiful, beautiful make with you. I'm going to pop a link below if you would like to become a subscriber of Fibre Mood and get access to all of these beautiful patterns. Do go check out the new collection because the fall is just so good. There's so much stuff I want to make in the fall collection. There will also be a link below to a Thrifty Notion, which is one of my favorite eco-friendly fabric stores. You saw this fabric in my fabric haul a week or so ago. It is so good. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe so you don't miss anything else. And by the way, if you're new here, we dance here.